1984, a religious cult poisoned the food supply of an American town, and almost no one knew it had happened. The Rajneeshis followed an Indian guru named Bhagwan Shree Rajneesh, who had built a massive armed compound in rural Oregon. Thousands of followers, stockpiled weapons, a private security force that wiretapped local officials and collected blackmail. But they wanted political control of the county, and they had a plan. In September of 1984, cult members walked into 10 local restaurants and quietly contaminated the salad bars with salmonella bacteria they had grown in a secret lab. 751 people got sick. Dozens were hospitalized. This was not the main attack. This was a test run. The real plan was to poison the county's entire water supply on election day and keep voters home. The FBI moved in before it happened. It remains the largest bioterror attack in American history, carried out not by a foreign enemy, but by people living quietly in the Oregon countryside.